Guys, 6,000 subscriber giveaway. I finally got the hats in. So let's talk about how this is gonna work. So first of all, I'm giving away several things. This is gonna be a 4 or 5 items, kind of a grab bag kind of a thing I put together. So here's how this works. You have to be a subscriber. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you have to subscribe. I'm gonna check, you have to verify you're a subscriber. 2, your comment is your entry, and it's only eligible for US-based members. So there's the caveat. So let's look at what I'm giving away. So I'm giving away one of the Howls hats that I wear in every video. So there's the hat. These aren't cheap hats either. These are like that's like a $30 hat. Rubicon81, one of my paying members, sent me a box with a Hank in it. So the Hank is gonna go. The Galaxy, this is nice. This is a Shadow, what is this? Shadowborn Hanks. So nice Hank, nice handkerchief. It is really nice. It's got some good embroidery on both sides. So if you want to carry it either way, it's like reversible. It's pretty nice. So there's that. And Rubicon also sent along a couple of patches that I'm going to throw in with. These are the Velcro patches. We've got a patch board. There's that. And then I'm giving away it's pretty much new. The only thing that's been done to it is sharpened. It's almost mint. This is the Rake P671CB, and this is in 14C28N. There's a lot of you guys that like that steel. This is a front flipper, top flipper kind of a thing. I have a hard time with them, especially with the nerve damage, but it also has thumb studs. So there you go. All you have to do is become either already be a subscriber to the channel or become a subscriber to the channel. And then all you have to do is leave a comment down below. Your comment is your entry, 1 comment per person. If you repeat, I usually filter those out. But if it looks like you're stacking the deck in your direction, I will block you if you have multiple comments. So 1 comment per person, US based. That's it, guys. So be a subscriber, leave a comment, and we'll give this till about the end of the month, like around December 1st. We'll let this run. So there you go, guys. Just giving back because you guys give me a lot. So later.